Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I need you to go ahead and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Today's video is going to be about press-on nails, the little grippers. Press-on nails, I'm going to show y'all how I apply them, what brand I like to use. So stay forward because I know you want to see. So in your kit, you get your nails, of course. You get your nail glue. You get like a cuticle pusher. And you get a nail file. So first things first, we're going to go through and take each nail, take a nail and match it up against your real nail to find the perfect fit. Also, if your nails are longer than the fake nails, you would have to file your nail, cut them and file them down. Also, the file is for, you see this little piece? The little, trying to find a good angle. Yeah, that little stick piece right there sticking out. I like to file that down. Get that off of the nail. Also, some nails come with the alcohol wipe, so you can just clean off the dirt off of your natural nail. But this one didn't. So I'm gonna just go in with the alcohol on a cotton swab. Like I said, this just cleans your natural nail. It helps the applying. It helps the fake nail stick better. I just washed my hands. So we can start applying now. So what you want to do, I'm gonna get this out the way. Also, before I apply, I like to go through and look at my cuticles. Some people don't do this, but I like to go through and look at my cuticle. And you see how that cuticle, I can't explain it. That cuticle. I like to push it back because to me, it makes the nail look better and more natural. So I'm just gonna take the little cuticle pusher and just push it back. Let me see. I can show you what I'm doing. See? Just do it gently. So now I have all of my cuticles pushed back. You can see. so we can apply. So you want to apply your nail glue to your nail and also, your, to the fake nail and also your natural nail. And you want to make the thumbs last. You apply the thumbs last. So you go from pinky to pointer finger on each hand and then you apply your thumbs. And you only apply it to, of course, the piece that's going on your nail. To the bed of the fake nail. And I like to slide down. I like to apply it at the bottom first, the base. Then press it. Hold for 5 seconds. Look at that. Can't tell me I ain't go to no salon. We're going to do the same thing to the next nail. Apply it on your real nail. Apply it to just the bed on the fake nail. You're going to align it with your cuticle. Then press down and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that one look a little lopsided. But it's cool though, can't even tell. So this is what we have. I know my hands look like a grandma hands, old looking hands. So what I'm going to do now is get some acetone fingernail polish remover to just clean them up a little bit, and it helps remove the glue. And yeah, I'll be right back. Final look. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you want to see more content from me, then go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload new videos. Look at them nails. Look at them grippers. Anyways, thank y'all for watching. Peace.